Welcome to Photoshop Art. I'm going to show you how to make a cool Stable Diffusion logo and icon. Make a new document 800 by 800 by 72. Hit V on your keyboard to select the Move tool. Hit Ctrl R to see rulers. Snap two rulers to the middle of the screen. If they don't snap, go to View and check Snap. Select the Rectangle tool. Make a square. In the Width field, type 60 and hit Enter. Press V for Move tool and move it to the middle. Snap two more rulers to square sides. Drag the rectangle layer to the trash or press Delete. Click on the plus icon to make a new layer. Press B for Brush tool. Go to Brush Properties and select a hard round brush. For the size, type 300 and hit Enter. Hit D to apply default colors. Click once to make a circle approximately here. Hit V for Move tool. Snap the circle to the right ruler and upper side of the document. Press and hold the Alt and Shift keys and move the circle copy to the bottom. Press and hold the Alt and Shift again and snap a copy to the middle. Release Alt and Shift and snap it to the left side. Hold the Alt key to make another copy. Release the Alt key and move it between the two circles. Repeat that step for the last circle. This is our shape. Go to Layers. Scroll down to the last circle layer. Hold Shift and click on the bottom circle layer to select all the circle layers. Press Ctrl E to merge all the layers. Add two rulers to 150 and 650 pixels positions. Add a new layer. Select the Pen tool. Press and hold the Alt key and zoom in with the scroll wheel. Hold the spacebar and drag your screen with your mouse. Click in one corner and drag to make an anchor point and two handles. Move the handle outside of the circle. Click and drag on the top of the circle to make another anchor point. Make another point. Move the handle around and position the line at the circle edge. Don't try to make it perfect. We're going to do that later. Continue doing so every 90 degrees and in every corner around the black circles. When you make the corner points, hold the Alt key to rotate only one handle. Click on the first point you made to finish. Now select the Direct Selection tool. Click on one anchor point to select it. Move each handle around and align the path with the circle. Click on the next point and repeat what you just did. Continue doing so with each handle. Our shape is finished. Select the pen tool. Click on the New Shape button. Turn off the black circles layer. Get the Direct Selection tool. Click on the fill color and choose the empty icon. Go to Stroke Options. For a line, select Inner Stroke. In the Stroke Width field, type 60 and hit Enter. Go to Color. Color Picker. Type F6620E and press Enter. Click on the image to close the window. Press Ctrl J to copy the shape. Press Ctrl T, right-click on the shape and flip horizontal. Click OK. Press V for the Move tool and drag the shape to the right. This is our final shape. Find the background layer. Click on the lock icon and drag the layer to the trash, or hit Delete. Delete the black shape layer. Press T for Type tool. Press Ctrl H to hide guidelines in the path. Click to start typing. Select Arial Bold Font. For the size, type 350. Click on the color picker. Click on the orange color. Click OK. Type the big letter S. Click OK. Hit V for Move tool. Hit Ctrl H to see guidelines. Position the letter S. Press and hold Alt and Shift and move a copy to the right side. Double-click on the active layer icon and change the letter to D. Click OK. Use arrow keys to fine-tune the position of the letter. You can now delete all the guidelines. Select one letter layer and add a new layer. Right-click on the new layer and create a clipping mask. Do the same for the other letter. Grab one shape layer and move it to the other one. Select both shapes using Shift. Press Ctrl G to group the shapes. Repeat what we did earlier with a clipping mask. Press D to set default colors and invert it by pressing X. Hit B for the brush tool. Make a right-click. Click twice on the soft round brush. Select the layer above the letter S. Click here once to make a soft highlight. If it's not good, press Ctrl Z and do it again. Select the second blank layer and repeat the process for the second letter. Select the group clipping mask. Scroll up with your mouse and make your brush larger with the bracket keys. Click once in the corner. We're gonna add some bevel to the letters. Find one letter layer and double-click on the layer. Select Bevel and Emboss. For the style, select Inner Bevel. Technique, Smooth. Depth 53. Size 8. Soften 10. Angle 144. Altitude 30. Click OK. Press and hold Alt and move the FX icon to the second letter. Select the bottom letter highlight. Go to Adjustments and select Solid Color. Type 341400 and press Enter. Drag the color layer to the bottom. Select the color mask. Press B for the brush tool. Make a right-click and select the hard round brush. Make the brush smaller. Press X to invert the colors. Remove the background color. Our icon is finished. Go to File. Save a copy. Save it as PNG file. Open the link in the video description. Drag and drop your icon here. Click here to download your icon file. To apply the icon, open the shortcut properties. Change icon. Click on Browse and find the icon you just downloaded. Now you have a cool, brain-shaped Stable Diffusion icon. This is Photoshop art. Thanks for watching.